Hey, and welcome to a new school year. You might be in a new class or a completely new school. So it's time to make an About Me video using Adobe Express to tell everyone what you're about. So it's very easy to start. Just press the plus on the left hand side and go down to video. Now I'm going to give this a title, About Me. And I'm just going to start from scratch. You can use a template if you want. I've got this Google Doc here and I've got 6 sections. So this is your video editor and you can see we've got this layout here. I'm going to start with title and text. The title is going to be my name. And then underneath I just put an About Me video. Now in the background here, you can put in, say like a photo, for example. If you've got one on your machine, otherwise you can actually take a photo as well. So I can load my camera up, press confirm, and that goes straight in there. What I might do is take this text and move it away from my face. But another thing that you can do in here as well is you can actually put some video in there. So let me show you how to do that. I've got a bit of video on my machine. So just click open once you've got it selected. And then what it'll do is it'll say, how much of that video do you want to put in there? So just for now, I'm going to move this so that all of the video is in there. Okay, and I'll click save. Next, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create my voiceover. And all you have to do is click on the microphone, keep it held down, and just record whatever it is that you want to say. Hi, my name's Traynor, and I'm the Education Evangelist for Adobe, which means I'm a teacher who brings learning to life using digital skills. Now, once you've done that, you can go back into your edit tool, click the little trim button there, and you see this little microphone button here. You can click that and say align to narration, and then it will align the amount of the video that you need to fit the amount of narration or the voiceover that you just recorded. Now, once you've got that, you can decide which section of the video you actually want it to be in, and then I'll click save. You can preview any of your clips here just by pressing the play button down there. Now, what you can hear there is you've got some music in the background. Now, the music applies to the whole video, and you can go in and you can, select different tracks. You can preview them just by clicking here as well. Pacific Pier is one that I like, so I'm going to put it in there, and I'm just going to reduce the music down ever so slightly. Another thing you can change is the theme as well. I like this statement theme, and I think I'll change it to orange, and maybe green actually, because green's my favorite color. On to my next section, which is all about my background. So let me add in another slide here. You do get these credits and outro slides, and with these ones, you can just hide them if you want to as well. So for my second slide, this is going to be about where I was born and places I've lived. And I was born in Liverpool, so let me find a photo for Liverpool. Now for this particular slide, I'm going to choose a different layout. I'm going to choose a caption layout. And what I've got here is different places that I've lived. So I'm going to copy that. And then in here, I'm going to put places I've lived. And then also I can put it into the top left. I could put it in as a list if I wanted to. And maybe that would look a little bit more stylish maybe. And again, record your voiceover. Next slide, click the plus, get another one in there. So the next one is hobbies here. So I think I'm going to do a split screen on this one. And rather than do a voiceover, what I might do is just copy all of this text here and just paste it in here and not do a voiceover at all. Now I'll show you, you can put photos in by uploading them as well. So I'll look here, I've got this one. And once that photo loads, click the pencil button in the top right and then zoom in if you want to. Next up, favorite piece of work. I've got a photo which I want to put in here as well. So let me go at work. I really and improve their digital skills. Next up is future. So I might put something like camper van in there. So what do I want to do in the future? I want to be a hippie going around different folk music festivals in my camper van. There we go. That one looks pretty cool to me. Put it in as text. Maybe just bring it down slightly. A little bit bigger. And then I can move that to the bottom if I like. Record my voiceover and I can just read it off the screen. And last but not least, I'm just going to put in a slide which just says thanks for watching. And in this one, I'll put in an icon. Going to use the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And when you're happy with that, you can press download to save it to your machine. And you can also press share, publish, create a link, You can also send it via Microsoft Teams or Google Classrooms. Okay, there's the video that I made about me, and I'm looking forward to seeing the videos about you using Adobe Express.